Hello, welcome at my channel. My name is Christina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom design dog mom t-shirt like this. Do you love your dog? Is it time to celebrate them? It is time! We have the perfect shirt for you. This shirt is perfect for any occasion and will let your dog know that they are your best friend. Show off your love with this custom dog mom shirt we're going to design right now. This custom dog mom t-shirt is from my store and we're going to make one like this right now. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you how you can make this t-shirt in 5 minutes. So here we are on Canva. This is a free website to use where you can design variety of things, Instagram posts and logos and posters, and you can look very professional, and this is free to use. Today we're going to use the t-shirt design here. We click on the design and then we have the exactly size what we need later to upload for our print and demand company. So I am going to upload my dog picture. So we resize this. This is my dog's picture, Angel, and let's size it a little bit bigger, and then we click on effect and we want to remove the background. Okay, so we have the picture. Canva remove the background, and actually I only need Angel's head, so I'm going to click on erase and maybe make the brush a little bit thicker, and let's clear. I need this a little bit zoom in so I see what I'm doing more, and I'm gonna go very carefully around her neck. Just like that. Okay, perfect. And now I just apply. We zoom out a little bit so we see the whole screen. I'm going to size this picture. Put it in the middle, and here I'm going to put text which is on the side, and I think I'm going to choose I think it was this one. Let's resize this again. I'm going to remove this, delete element, and just the writing. So dog, and I'm going to duplicate this so it's the same size. Mom. Okay, however I want this in different color, so this is the color, and here too this is I wanted to have pink because it's a black t-shirt. So what else is missing? I know, the paws. So let's get some paws. We go up here and we type in paws, and then we're going to look for a free one. This is the free one. Resize it, it's a little bit big. Here, and let's color this first. What? I cannot color it? Okay, I have to choose a different paw because you cannot color this, and I need a pink paw. Let's choose pink, and let's make this a little bit smaller. Maybe even smaller. Okay, let's duplicate it. Here, let's flip it. No, sorry. Okay, and just turn it up like that. This is a, maybe it can be beside each other, and then duplicate it again. Put one down here beside the mom, and duplicate this one. Maybe this could be go a little bit higher, and this is a little bit lower. I think this is how it looks good. I like it. Maybe Angel's head a little bit bigger. And there you go, we have the t-shirt. If the background is black, you can see this is a very good design. Looks awesome. Okay. Anyway, we're going to download this, so we go up here, and we want to have the largest size, so you just pull this button on the back, and I want to have a transparent background. So download now. We just wait to download, and the t-shirt design part is ready. We have a custom dog mom t-shirt. Okay, so we are on Printified right now, which is a print on demand company, if you don't know. And basically this company have wide products, and you can upload your design, and they will print it, ship it, print it, sew it, ship it to your customer or to you. You don't have to have your store, you can just order a sample. So anyway, we're gonna go to women clothing t-shirts, and then these are the best sellers. We're going to choose like this one, the first one, unisex ultra cotton tee. Okay, looks nice. And then I'm going to choose this shipping provider. Let's start designing. Here is our t-shirt. Let's add our design, what we just made previously. Here it is. Okay, so it perfectly fits in, high resolution. I am going to choose only black and none of the other colors, because this pink writing is not going to look good in other colors, only on black I think. And back, nothing. I'm not going to put anything, and let's see the preview. T-shirt looks good. Let's save it. And now if this is your store, you can publish it, or if you just want to order a sample, you also can do that, and you don't have to have a store for that. So I have my t-shirt. How does it look like? Isn't it so cute? Dog mom for Angel. Do you guys want to check it out how it looks like on me? How's my t-shirt? Looks fabulous, isn't it? I'm a dog mom. Woo, woo. I really hope you making a dog mom t-shirt for yourself too. However, if you don't want to design, I make this t-shirt and you can grab one from my store. You just upload your pictures and we do the rest. And you can look fabulous just like this. So thank you for watching. I really hope you like this video and you make one shirt for yourself. And please like and subscribe because it mattered. Thank you. Bye, Dogs Mom. Balcony time.